episode of Bitty Pumpkin Gauge. Today, we are gonna make it's a challenge. So, our challenge is make origami, what's this called again? Flapping bird. So, we need all of this stuff. First, hands. Next, paper. That's all. And I'll be joining with Mommy. La 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 la.
So what are we gonna make today?
We are gonna make one of these. Oh wait, we already made a lot. But we have to make it white. It's for a
Wedding.
wedding.
So the challenge is we'll have to do this in 1 hour. So we're gonna check how many flapping birds we're gonna make.
Wait.
Is this working? Is it?
Yours?
There, it is working.
How about mine?
So we made this one earlier just to show that
Yep.
we can do it.
Yeah.
But actually first what we did is a crane.
It can't move, see? Hers only farts.
Okay, now let's do this. Let's start.
So this,
From A4.
yeah.
What are we making right now? From
This.
A4, we're gonna make a square.
Yeah. I'm not gonna throw this yet because it's for free.
So when we're starting, we're gonna take a timer and then we're gonna check if how many paper cranes are going to finish in
1 hour. And we'll start not right now. Okay?
timer 1 hour.
We're going to clock, yeah. And then you see 59 seconds, that's not enough. We need 60.
Oh, yes, minutes.
Wait.
Or 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay.
So,
We're starting 3, 2. Gracias. I don't know what gracias means. Tama na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
19. Then this one. 20.
20. 21.
No, we're not gonna include that one. Yay! Now we're done. It's 20.
20 bird things.
Flapping.
Flapping birds. Flapping birds.
So we didn't finish the other Kapman bun.
You
The
can-
A4 paper.
We can draw it. We draw some stuff with it.
Yeah. So this one what we made before earlier. Is it flapping? Yes, it is flapping. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna put it on where?
Where?
Paper bag. So we can give this one later. Okay, you say bye-bye na.
Bye. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hit that notification bell and we'll see you next time in Beauty Pumpkin Gift. Goodbye.